When I was a little girl, we ate baklava all the time for dessert. That sweet, nutty, crunchy goodness brings back such wonderful, fun memories. So today, I'm going to show you my recipe of how to make baklava.
This recipe calls for 3/4 of a cup of sugar syrup, 2 cups of chopped walnuts, half a cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 2 tablespoons butter ghee, 1 16-ounce package of phyllo dough, and 3/4 of a cup of butter ghee for baking. Make the syrup in advance and preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Blend walnuts in a food processor until medium fine. Transfer into a bowl, adding the cinnamon, sugar, and butter ghee. Then mix well. Take a baking sheet and place half the phyllo dough flat on the bottom. If it runs over the sheet, you can trim the excess and add it to the middle of the tray. Evenly spread the chopped nuts over the whole first layer of dough. Use a spoon to smooth it out and get the corners. Take the remaining half of the dough and place it over the nuts. Using a butter knife or cake spatula, tuck the edges underneath the dough. Be patient with this process and start slow. If there's too much dough hanging over, you can trim it with scissors before tucking. Pour the melted butter ghee over the tray. Using a sharp knife, cut the pastry into 24 diamond-shaped pieces. Put it in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown, flipping at 180 degrees halfway through baking. Immediately after taking it out of the oven, pour the cooled sugar syrup over the tray. Sprinkle chopped raw pistachios to add an extra pop of color and crunch. This dessert stores well and goes great with hot tea or Arabic coffee. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future episodes.